everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Poshmark account. So here's how you can do it. Launch open a web browser and into the URL box type in poshmark.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for Poshmark. To log into an existing account, go ahead and click the login link at the top right hand corner. You will end up in the login page soon after you click on the option. You can log in with your existing Facebook account by clicking this first option. You can also continue logging in with Google and your Apple ID. If you want to log in using your email and password option, then go ahead and enter your username or email address in the first text box at the bottom. Now enter your password for your Poshmark account. Make sure to enter the same password that you created while registering for the account. If you want to stay signed into Poshmark.com, then make sure to check this little box at the bottom. If you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to uncheck the box before logging in. After clicking the login button, you'll end up in the main homepage for Poshmark. If you don't remember your password during the process, get help by clicking on Forgot Password and follow through the password reset process. Soon after you click on the login button, you will be logged into your Poshmark.com account. So that is how easy it is to log in or sign into Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.